Have you ever felt like you have big dreams but lack the energy to make them come true? You tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never arrives. You want to accomplish amazing things, but starting seems so difficult. You consider writing a book, getting fit, or picking up a new skill, but instead you end up scrolling through your phone or watching TV. Why does this happen? It's not because you're inherently lazy. It's because the tasks seem too overwhelming. When something feels too challenging, your brain looks for easier alternatives. But here's the good news. You can change this. Laziness isn't your identity. It's just a habit, and habits can be changed. Think about how many times you felt stuck because the goal seemed too daunting. You want to save money, but cutting back on everything seems too difficult. You want to get healthier, but running every day feels like too much. It's not that you don't care. It's that your brain is wired to avoid discomfort and seek comfort. But you can outsmart your brain. Here are 3 simple steps to stop being lazy and start taking action on what truly matters. Step 1. Make it small. Big tasks can be intimidating, so break them down into smaller steps. For instance, if you want to write a book, don't focus on writing 200 pages. Just aim to write 1 sentence today. Small steps are more manageable and give you a sense of accomplishment. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't leap to the top in one go. You take one step, then another. Apply the same approach to your goals. Small wins accumulate over time. Here's another example. If you want to learn how to play the guitar, don't try to master an entire song in one day. Instead, practice one chord each day. Over time, those little efforts will lead to big progress. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Step 2. Create easy routines. Don't depend solely on willpower. Set up routines because willpower can deplete, but routines make actions automatic. For example, if you want to exercise, keep your shoes beside your bed. That way, when you wake up, it's easier to begin. Think of routines as training wheels. They make things simpler until they become second nature. What's one small routine you can start today? It could be writing a to-do list every morning or drinking a glass of water right after you wake up. These small habits will build structure and help you gain momentum. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is always getting started, so commit to working on something for just 2 minutes. That's all. Want to read a book? Read one page. Want to clean your room? Start with one corner. Once you begin, it's much easier to continue. It's like pushing a ball down a hill. The first push is tough, but once it starts rolling, it moves on its own. Bonus tip, reward yourself for getting started. After your 2 minutes of effort, celebrate in a small way. Maybe listen to your favorite song or take a quick break. Rewards make the beginning feel rewarding and motivate you to keep going. Here's the truth. Everyone starts small. The people you admire, they struggled too, but they kept going. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. Think of your dreams like a spark. Right now they may be small, but each action you take adds fuel to the fire. Keep adding fuel, and soon enough, you'll have a blazing fire. So what will you do today to ignite that fire? Remember, it's okay to fail. Everyone fails. What matters is that you get back up and try again. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a part of the journey. Be kind to yourself and keep moving forward. Let's keep it simple. If you're ambitious but feeling lazy, here's your action plan. 1. Break tasks into small, manageable pieces. 2. Establish routines to help you stay consistent. 3. Start with just 2 minutes of effort. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Pick one thing and take a small step today. Your dreams are waiting for you. Go make them happen. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Even small, regular actions can lead to incredible change. But you can't stay consistent without taking action today.